Hello and welcome back to Burn It Down Media. My name is Christopher, and around these parts, I like to react to anything that gives you goosebumps. Now, I want to continue this. I'm doing 2 reactions, each day now here, and I'm really excited. So I just did Trance of Omni. Go check that out. That was absolutely breathtaking, absolutely brilliant. I'm doing my suggestions, the suggestions that I've been getting. I get so many, so I'm trying to get some done. This is Sound of Salaar. I'm really excited about this one. I think that this could be absolutely beautiful. Let me know what your experience is with this tune, and keep the suggestions coming. I'm gonna get to your guys' suggestions. Takes a bit, but we're getting there. Okay. I've just been having the time of my life reacting to these. It's just been so much fun, so rewarding, and so good for my spirit, my soul, and I'm just having the time of my life. So let me get my headphones on, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this family, my friends. I'm ready to get some goosebumps. Ooh. Oh, orchestra. Wow, it's beautiful. Goosebumps everywhere. I need to take a second. I need to go back. I'm gonna restart this. I'm so sorry. This is just absolutely amazing. Wow. Instantly, those drums just... This is just reminds me of like a blockbuster, like a big, huge piece of music. I mean, it's got an orchestra in there. Did you hear the violins in there? Wow. Sorry for restarting, but I have to. I gotta get everything in here. I love the beginning of this. So calm, yet so beautiful and brilliant. This is such a... ugh. Right, ready? I wish I could have been in the room while they were recording this. I mean, could you imagine the feel inside of wherever they're recording this, just with all the horns, the strings, the drums. Those drums hit me in the chest so hard when they start. Like, I can't even explain the feels that I get when I hear that. Music to me is everything. Music is so healing, you know what I mean? Ever since I was a kid, and when I hear something that I just resonate with that I love, that gives me inspiration, I get goosebumps everywhere. I get emotional. I mean, it's everything, you know what I mean? And this right here, wow. Sound of Salaar. I need to watch these movies, guys. There's so many that I want to watch. I mean, I want to watch, they call emoji. I want to watch Sound of Salaar. This looks absolutely beautiful and brilliant. And I think it's fun to do these songs, this music. So when I watch the movies, it's just going to be that much brilliant and breathtaking. I can't even tell you how thankful I am for each and every one of you for these suggestions, because this has just been so good, changing my life in such a beautiful way. And I'm just so thankful for each and every one of you. You just got to remember, it's one day at a time, but we're in this together, so it makes it that much easier. Man, Sound of Salaar.